Dear students, in this session we are solving few more problems in the chapter. Let f is a function from R to R. F of x equal to x square minus 4x plus 3 if x less than equal to 2. X minus 3 if x greater than, here x less than 2, here x greater than equal to 2. The number of real numbers x for which f of x equal to 3 is option A1, option B2, option B3, option D 4. X squared minus 4x plus 3 or x less than 2. X minus 3, x greater than equal to 2. So when x less than 2 and f of x equal to 3, when x is less than 2, we have to consider this x squared minus 4x plus 3. This f of x is equal to 3. So x squared minus 4x equal to 0. X into x minus 4 equal to 0. X equal to 0. X minus 4 equal to 0. X equal to 4. When x less than equal to and f of x equal to 3, we have in place of f of x we can write x minus 3 and the 3. X equal to 6. Here, since x is less than 2, we take x equal to 0 only. So x equal to not 4 is not valid in this case. So x equals 0 and x equal to 6. Here we should not take 4, but in this case x is greater than equal to 2, so that we can take 6. Satisfied? F of x equal to 3. So there are two values. Option B is correct. let f of x equal to nine power x plus 9 power x plus 3 for all x belongs to R. Then the value of R equal to 1 to 2008, f of R by 2009 is option A 1004, option B 1005, thousand 4.5, thousand 5.5. F of x is given as 9 power x by 9 power x plus 3. F of x plus f of 1 minus x. 9 power x by 9 power x plus 3. 9 power 1 minus x by 9 power 1 minus x plus 3. 9 power x divided by 9 power x plus 3. 9 into 9 power minus x divided by 9 into 9 power minus x plus 3. 9 power x by plus 9 into 1 by 9 power x. 9 into 1 by 9 power x plus 3. 9 power minus x can be written as 1 by 9 power x. So the same applied in the denominator. 9 power x by 9 power x plus 3. 9 into 1 by 9 power x divided by 9 plus 3 into 9 power x divided by 9 power x. These two terms will be cancelled. 9 power x by 9 power x plus by 3 into 3 plus 9 power x. Nine power x by 9 power x plus 3. So you can take LCM. 3 into 9 power x plus 3. Here you have to multiply by 3 plus 9. You take 3 in common. 9 power x plus 3 divided by 3 into 9 power x plus 3. This will be cancelled. 1. So f of x plus f of 1 minus x equal to 1. So you have derived result f of x plus f of equal to 1. We need to find summation 1 to 2008 f of r by 2009. That means f of 1 by 2009. If you take last value f of 2008 by 2009, if you take 2, f of 2 by 2009 plus f of 2007 by, you can, that is f of 1 by 2009 plus f of 2 by 2009 plus f of 3 by 2009, f of 2008 by 2009. First and last you pair. Then sand first sand time from the beginning and sand time from the last you combine. So you can find r equal to 1 to 1000 for f of 1 by 2009 plus f of 1 minus r by 1 by 2009. If you take r equal to 1, 2008 by 2009. If you take r equal to, here r by 2009. If you take r equal to 1, you will get these two terms. If you take r equal to, you will get next two terms like that. R equal to 1 to 1004 f of plus f of 1 minus r by 2000 by 2001. So minus r by 2009. So observe, this is x, this is 1 minus x, this is of f of x plus f of 1 minus x equal to summation r equal to 1 to 1004 1, since f of x plus f of 1 minus x equal to 1, we have derived this result. So r equal to 1 to 1004. So you have to add 1400, 4 times. That is 1 plus etc. 1. This is 1004 times. So answer is 1004. So option A is correct. Now we are going to see some results. if f of x plus y equal to f of x plus f of y, then f of x is equal to c into x. So solution of this equation is f of x equal to cx. That can be derived, but it is better to remember these results. If f of x plus y equal to f of x into f of y, then f of x equal to e power kx. If f of xy equal to f of x plus f of y, then f of x equal to k log x. F of x equal to k into log x. If f of xy equal to f of x into f of y, then f of x equal to x power k. If f of x by y equal to f of x minus f of y, then f of x equal to k into log x. Next one, f of x plus f of y equal to f of x plus y by 1 minus xy, then f of x equal to k tan inverse of x. If f of x into f of 1 by x equal to f of x plus f of 1 by x for all x belongs to r minus 0, where f of x is a polynomial function of degree n belongs to n, then f of x equal to 1 plus or minus x power n. If f of x is a polynomial function, satisfying the relation f of x plus f of 1 by x equal to f of x and f of 1 by x for all x not equal to 0 and f of 4 equal to 65. Then f of 2. Option A 7, option B 4, option C 9, option D 6. If f of x is a polynomial function satisfying the relation f of x plus f of 1 by x equal to f of x into f of x plus f of 1 by x. F of x plus f of 1 by x equal to f of x and f of 1 by x for all x not equal to 0. We have to find f of 2 value provided the given value is f of 4 equal to 65. F of x plus f of 1 by x is given as f of x into f of 1 by x. So I have given list of results. One of this is f of x equal to 1 plus or minus x power n. F of 4 equal to 65, that is given. Which implies since this is positive value, therefore 65 equal to 1 plus x power n. 1 plus x power n equal to 65. One plus x power n equal to 64, that is 4 power 3, which implies n equal to 3. So f of x equal to 1 plus x power n. Here you consider only positive value. So f of x equal to 1 plus x power 3. we need to find f of 2, that is 1 plus 2 cubed, 1 plus 8, that is 9. So remember the results, we can straight away write this, otherwise you have to solve lengthily. So I gave you 7 results, you remember all 7 results. So greatest integer. The square bracket x denotes the greatest integer less than or equal to x. That is, the greatest integer function x less than or equal to x. It is also known as floor of x. In general, if n is an integer and x is any real number between n and n plus 1, that is x lies between n and n plus 1, then the greatest integer function x is n. X minus integer part x is called fractional part of x. And is denoted by x inside set notation. For any real number x is an integer and the fractional part x is any real number such that x equal to integer part plus fractional part. And the fractional part lies between 0 and 1. For example, 3.5779. So integer part only you are going to write, that is 3. 0.89, lowest value you have to write, that is 0. Minus 8.7283. You should not write minus 8. You have to write only least value, minus 9. Minus 0.6, that is minus 1. Minus 11 by 10, integer part. Minus 1.1 something. So answer is minus 2. Suppose if you take integer part, minus 11 by 10. That is integer part is minus 11 by 10 minus 11 by 10. Since the fractional part is x minus integer part. So that minus 11 by 10 minus, so the fractional part equal to minus 11 by 10 minus, this is equal to minus 2. Minus 11 by 10 plus 2. Minus 7 plus 20 by 10. That is 9 by 10. So you have to remember this result. Minus 1 by 4, that is minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Minus 4 minus, that is minus 1. Minus 1 by 4 plus 1, that is 3 by 4. Using this result, we write. Properties of greatest integer function. Integer part x plus or minus n equal to greatest integer function x plus or minus n, where n belongs to I. Where x belongs to I. This is very, very important. Integer function minus x equal to minus 1 minus integer part x. Or minus x plus x equal to minus 1. So, very, very important concept. Integer part x plus integer part minus x equal to minus 1. X minus x equal to 2n. If x equal to n and n belongs to I. This is greater than equal to n. If x is greater than equal to n, n belongs to I. Greater than n implies x is greater than or equal to n belongs to 1 if n belongs to I. Which is less than or equal to n, which implies x is less than n plus 1, n belongs to I. The integer function x less than n, which implies x is less than n, n belongs to I. n2 less than equal to digit function x less than equal to n1, which implies n2 less than equal to x less than n1 plus 1. n1 comma n2 belongs to I. The greatest integer function x plus y, which is greater than equal to integer function x plus integer function y. So 12th one, the greatest integer function of greatest integer function by x by n equal to x by n, n belongs to n. So 13, n plus 1 by 2 plus n plus 2 by 4 plus n plus 4 by 8, n plus 8 by 16 equal to n. And belongs to natural number. Here 2 squared, 2 cubed, 2 power 4 like that. The denominator, numerator 1 into 2, multiply of 2. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 4, 8 like that. If the series is like that, the answer will be n, where n is the natural number. Next, important results. X plus 1 by n, x plus 2 by n plus etc. X plus n minus 1 by n equal to the integer function nx. As n belongs to n. The answer 1 will not come up to this point only. Next, the 2 will not take up to this only, the graph. Regarding 3, 2 to 3, you take 2 to 3, excluding 3. You will take all values like that. You take minus 1. take minus 2. So like steps, the graph will be like steps. So this is also known as step function. So it will take only 0. 0 to 1 will take 0. 1 to take, it will take 1 only. 2 to 3 will take 2 only. So minus 1 to 0 take 0 only. Minus 2 to minus 1 take minus, will take minus 2. Minus 2 to minus 1, it will take 0 to minus will take minus 1. Minus 2 to minus will take minus 2. Minus 3 to minus 2, it will take minus 3. If integer of x denotes integral part of x for real x, then find the value of one by 4 plus 1 by 200, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 100, 1 by 4 plus 3 by 200, 1 by 4 plus 199 by 200. X plus 1 by n, x plus 2 by n, x plus n minus 1 by n equal to nx. Using this 1 by 4, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 200. The given question, they have given 1 by 4 plus 1 by 100 next to the same. But this can be rearranged as 1 by 4 plus, instead of this you can write this. So next one 1 by 4 plus, instead of 1 by 100 we can write 2 by 200. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 200 plus etc. 1 by 4 plus 199 by, if it is n, this is n minus 1. So we can apply this formula nx, that is 200 dx, that is 1 by 4, 50 integer part, that is 50. Next one, least integer. This notation denotes the least integer greater than or equal to x. That is, this is greater than or equal to x. It is also known as ceiling of S. The previous case floor of X. Here it is ceiling of X. .578. That is 4. 0.87. That is the next integer you have to write 1. For greatest integer you write 0. For least integer function you have to write 1. Minus 8.239. The previous case you write minus 9. But in this case you write minus 8. Relation between greatest integer and least integer function. So this is, if x belongs to integer, this is equal to, both are same. When x does not belongs to y, the least integer function is equal to greatest integer function plus 1. Properties of fractional part of x. X plus or minus n equal to x when n belongs to I. If 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 1, fraction for of x equal to just x. If fractional part and greatest integer function represent fractional integral part of x, respectively. Find the value of x plus r by two thousand. X plus r equal to 1 to 2000. The fractional part x plus r divided by 2000 equal to the integer part plus summation r equal to 1 to 2000, the fractional part by 2000. X plus or minus n equal to x if n belongs to n. Like this, here r is an integer. So leaving out the integer, it is enough to write fraction part x. So x plus fractional part x by, there is no r here is eliminated. So r equal to 1 to 2001. By 2000, 1 should be added 2000 times, so that this value will become 2000. This will be cancelled. X plus the integer part plus fractional part, that is equal to only x. So we will see more problems in the next class. Thank you.